In this video, I will show you how to get Codex for free and how to use Codex for free. Okay. At first, you will open a browser, then simply search Codex. Then here, you will go to this website, the official website of Codex, and here you can see Codex is the most powerful coding agent now in ChatGPT. And see, you can just directly use Codex for free on your environment. If you are using Windows computer, if you are using Mac OS or Linux, you can able to download Codex completely for free. You don't have to buy ChatGPT plan for this. Okay, so what you will do, you will simply click this download button. So if you are using Windows, you will see download for Windows. I am using Mac OS, so it's for download for Mac OS. I will simply click here, then save it to the app directory and save. So it's right now downloading and takes few seconds to complete this process. Okay, it's already done. We will go to the directory, and now you can see this is ChatGPT. We will double click here to install it. Okay, done. Now we'll close everything and simply from the app section we will just open it. Let me search Codex, and you can see this is the ChatGPT icon. We will click here, open it, and now you will see something like this. So here what you will have to do, at first you need to log into your ChatGPT account. You can just click this continue to sign in. If you don't have an account, just click here sign up. I have already an account, so I will click here continue to sign in. It will open a tab on your browser, and here you will have options. You can just select your workspace and let me continue. Now open ChatGPT. So here you will see something like this type of interface. If you just click drop down, you will see Codex is here. So we'll just click Codex, and right now you are on the Codex interface. So here what you can do, look here, you can just explore and understand code, build new feature, app or tool, review your code and suggest changes, and fix issues and failure. So to get started, at first here you need to choose a project. We'll click here, and now here you can just simply create new project or just add a folder to Codex. We'll click here, and now from the directory I will choose a project. For example, let me start with this test project, and you can see this project is added. Let me click create a project. So when you click create a project, you will see your project directory is here. Now you can just chat here or start try to build something. For example, I will just say set up React.js app using Tailwind CSS. Okay, then here you can change the model. So right now under this advanced, you will just choose any model from here. You can see 5.6 Tera is here, 5.6 Luna, 5.5 GPT is here, 5.4 and 5.4 mini. So I am using the Tera in medium effort. Okay, so then I will hit here, and now you can see it's thinking. I will inspect the project directory, then set up React app with Tailwind in existing workspace. That means inside this project. Okay, we'll have to just allow this command and see running npm install. Okay, finally your app is created. If you go to your project directory, let me go there and see inside this test project, you will have all the files and folders already created. And now to run this, you can see, so run it with npm run dev. I'll prompt run the app. Now you can see it's starting development server. Let me allow, and here is the URL you need to approve. So if you visit here, you can see the app is created perfectly. Okay, so now we can just build more feature on this app or try to create your portfolio website by using Codex.